Well, this is what I find when I get up in the morning. Arnie is eating a popsicle. Or what would you call that? We call it a suigstokkie in Afrikaans. That translates to a sucking little stick. Arnie, do you like that? Oh, he loves this. Fabrizio over there checking stuff out. Tiger's asleep. Enzo in the jungle gym. And Bull is perfectly blue and clean. This whole place has been cleaned up. And they are having a great Saturday afternoon. They ate and they had a bit of trouble eating it all. So I have decided to not feed them tomorrow. It's going to be tough, maybe tougher for me than for them. But yesterday I did see Enzo and Diego's shape was actually very good. And today they've ate a lot. So yeah, I had too much meat for the space I had to put it. And then yesterday the butcher phoned me again. He said he had 3 packages of meat, and I went to fetch it and he said that's not enough space, and he brought it to my house, and as we unpacked it, it was 3 cases of meat. A lot. So their 3 fridges are stacked right up again to the top, and there is very little that can fit in there at the moment, but that's a nice problem to have. So we will be I'm just going to be not feeding them too much, because I did in the last few weeks, because I was trying to make more space in the fridge in case something else comes along as well. And now I've decided that was enough. So tomorrow they will be on a diet. They probably won't even know it, because they'll probably be sleeping right through it. But we'll see. Always nice watching Smarty Pants and Fabrizio just playing. There he comes. Diego is sleeping over there. Enzo is in the jungle gym. And little Dini is eating chicken. Yeah, I found 2 chickens in the fridge and they love it. They haven't had it for a while. I don't know what Fabrizio is trying to do there. He's not supposed to try and dig underneath the tiger's enclosure. That's the last thing that he should do. But Smarty Pants will quickly prevent him from doing it. Okay, so whenever the sun goes down and you see the cats jump around in that area over there, and you see bats just everywhere, then you know there is, well, it's a certain kind of ant. I'm not really sure what you call it in English, but we call it reismiere. And a reismier is basically like an ant that can fly. They've got long wings, but they attract all kinds of animals. And there's a lot of bats around here, and they catch them. Here comes one right now. There he goes over the pool. Yeah, and they're really quick. But Diego couldn't be bothered. He is just sleeping through it all. And I see the 2 cats is Fabrizio and Smarty Pants. They are having a ball. They eat it. And the monkeys eat these reismiere. And yeah, they love it. So if you've ever wondered why you need bats, well, they control all these insects. Because what will happen to them if they were just, well, let's put it like this. Let's say there's 5 tons of these reismiere that is flying around your area, and they all die and lie on the road or wherever, they will decompose. You need something to take care of that, and that is what the bats and the cats and, well, meerkats and all kinds of animals will do. You tend to only see one or two of them, but if you realize how many there are, and they are in a certain area, it will definitely create a smell in that area. And I see there on the other side, that little speck right there in the middle, that is probably little opal. I'll have to go and find her, it's getting dark, and catch her. But for now, the catching that will be done by these cats and the bats. Okay, so this is what you call a rice meal. That is the insect that was flying around. He just shed his wings now. Listen to that sound. He sounds a lot like a motorbike. Yeah, exactly like it. Can't believe it. Well, if Hendrik gets him, he's gonna eat him. So I'm gonna have to just put him away. I'm just gonna put him. They can hear him sounding exactly like a motorbike. Friendliest cat in the world is here as well. Here she is. Wow, I can't believe it. It sounds just like a motorbike. So if you pick one of these up and they sound like that, well, you know what it is. It's a race meal from South Africa. His wings is around here. There they are. He flew in and he walks out sounding like a motorbike. Amazing. I know, friendliest cat in the world. And Zina came to visit, so she will be spending the next week here with us, with all the dogs and the cats and the rest of the monkeys and the tigers, of course. But she lives in Johannesburg and we haven't seen her for a while. Well, we're having a pizza and a chocolate pizza. They've really gone small on these. I don't know why. They're not that big anymore, but on that I can understand, because you can't eat the whole thing if it's made of chocolate. Well, there's one thing that is not going to be happening today. The boys are not going to be fed. I'm not going to feed them today because they have really ate so much in the last couple of days. And I think I should not feed them. And you won't say, if you look at the place, it's clean. And they dissolve that meat just about totally. So I don't know, I just don't think it's healthy for them to consume so much meat. And also it's packed in bags that is, well, let's say about 15 kilograms of meat, and there's no point in not giving them the whole packet each day. And that just overfeeds them a little bit. But they look great. They are in absolutely perfect condition, although I think they will appreciate a day without eating. Just one. Enzo doesn't know it yet, but oh, it does. Sorry, Enzo. We'll feed you again tomorrow. I just hope that I am strong enough not to back out on it. It's not easy to not feed your tiger. It's the most difficult thing in the world. Well, Diego is feeling great. He has decided that it is time to play. He's already seen me. His favorite thing in the world. Zach is watching him. Oh, Diego. Well, I guess two can play this game. No, I'm not really reaching him. And now they start to play. Well, I guess I better go face the tigers, because yeah, I did not feed them today and it feels terrible, and I've been avoiding them in the last half an hour because I don't want them to, well, just not understand, I guess. Okay, let's go, coming through. But yeah, there they are. There is Enzo. The dogs ate pans that they eat out of. Let me just quickly get out of here. These dogs are something else. But yeah, there's Enzo. Enzo. Oh, I hope you're not hungry, Enzo. I just look at his midsection and I see that he is, well, they are quite big. Diego, are you hungry? Sorry, Diego. Let me just go in here, and these dogs are also going to freak out now because they're happy to see me. Oh, come on, you can't be that happy to see me. I've only been away for 5 minutes. My Christmas tree is still up. I guess I'm going to leave it up for another year. Zach. But yeah, I hope the tigers have forgotten that they didn't eat now, because their old, or yesterday's buckets are still here. Zach! Zackies! But yeah, it's difficult if you put your tiger on a diet. Zach! No, they are going to make a noise. Let's walk this way, Diego. But in any case, that is it. They're doing fine. They're going to have beautiful shape tomorrow. But it's more difficult for me than it is for them. I don't think they would agree, but it is. And we'll see what they look like tomorrow. Tomorrow they can eat again a full, well, bucket of meat. Enzo, sorry Enzo, but ain't gonna happen. You're on a diet tonight. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And like always, from a noisy dog place, have a good day.